Join me as I take on the challenge of figuring out if I can spot the difference between real humans and AI-generated responses. Artificial intelligence is taking over our daily lives, and it's getting harder to distinguish between what's human-made and what's AI-generated. From virtual assistants to content creation, AI is becoming more prevalent, and it's raising important questions about authenticity and trust. The challenge of identifying AI-generated content is a pressing concern in various fields. Can we really trust the information we're consuming? Are the people we're interacting with online real or just sophisticated bots? These questions are becoming increasingly difficult to answer. As AI-generated content becomes more sophisticated, it's becoming harder to spot the difference between what's real and what's fake. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack, except the haystack is getting bigger and more complex. The implications of this are far-reaching. For instance, in the world of journalism, how can we be sure that the information we're getting is accurate and trustworthy? In social media, are the people we're interacting with real or just AI-generated profiles? These are questions that we need to start asking ourselves, and soon. The stakes are high, and the consequences of not being able to tell the difference between human and AI-generated content could be severe. We're living in a world where AI-generated content is becoming the norm. From AI-generated art to music, AI is capable of creating content that's almost indistinguishable from human creations. Take, for instance, the AI-generated portrait that sold at Christie's auction house for over $400,000. It's a stunning example of how AI has blurred the lines between human and machine creativity. The question is, can we really tell the difference between what's human-made and what's AI-generated? AI has made tremendous progress in mimicking human creativity, and the results are astonishing. From generating entire novels to composing music that's almost indistinguishable from human compositions, AI is pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. The question is, are we ready for a world where AI-generated content is the norm? So, what do you think? Were you able to spot the difference between human and AI-generated content? The lines are getting blurrier, and it's getting harder to tell the difference. That's what makes this challenge so fascinating. In conclusion, AI has made tremendous progress in mimicking human creativity, and the implications are far-reaching. It's up to us to be critical thinkers and to question the information we're consuming. The challenge of identifying AI-generated content is just the beginning. The question is, are we ready for a world where AI-generated content is the norm? Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever encountered AI-generated content that you couldn't tell was fake? Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our next video on the latest AI advancements.